Hello War Thunder pilots, today I'm going to show you some of our new features in the 1.33 update. This update brings us one step closer to the final release and introduces a number of important changes to the gameplay. It will give you guys more freedom to customize your fighting machines and prepare them for a wide range of combat missions. Let's start with some awesome new planes to show off. First off is the USA. This is the Grumman F9F5 Panther. It's a top tier and a very beautiful jet fighter. The Douglas BTD-1 Destroyer. A dive bomber and torpedo carrier. The Lockheed F-80C Shooting Star. Another jet in the US pack. The Grumman F8F1 Bearcat. A Grumman F8F1B Bearcat. The Republic P-47D-28 Thunderbolt, another version of the devastating Thunderbolt heavy fighter. We also have some new Russian planes. The Lag-3, the 8th series. Lag-3, the 11th series. The LA-5 37th series. The LA-5F. The Yak-9 with a sweet 45mm cannon. And the Yak-17. And finally, for Britain, the de Havilland DH-100 Vampire FB Mark V, a very promising jet fighter. So, our main topic area are the modifications. Update 1.33 grants us an opportunity to deliver long-planned modifications. During World War II, new pilots never got the newest planes. Pilots and his fellow mechanic had to repair and optimize the plane for certain combat tasks and combat style of the pilot. We had this idea in previous versions of the game. Such modifications as fuselage polishing and engine replacement, this brought our planes closer to the specification of the new plane. In War Thunder 1.33, we have more modifications and options to customize your plane for combat and dynamic efficiency. So, available modifications are divided into 4 ascending stages. At every stage, players will be able to improve engine performance, weaponry and durability. Each new stage only becomes available after a certain number of modifications have been purchased at the previous level. Modifications can be purchased with silver credits after accumulating a certain number of experience points. For impatient and wealthy players, any modification can be purchased with the in-game currency, Golden Eagles. Players who have already upgraded their aircraft in War Thunder will not lose their modifications. All previously installed aircraft modifications will automatically be purchased and installed in version 1.33. You can read more about that on the developer diary, and we have the full list of changes. Trust me, there's a lot on War Thunder's official forums, from further graphical improvements and optimizations to improved AI for ground forces and bots. So join us on Facebook and follow War Thunder on Twitter. I'll see you in the War Thunder skies.